What if I told you that choosing the wrong garden edging could be sabotaging your entire landscape design? And most homeowners make this critical mistake without even realizing it. Today, I'm revealing the 15 professional-grade border solutions that'll transform your backyard into a magazine-worthy masterpiece. Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Garden Homes, where we turn ordinary backyards into extraordinary outdoor sanctuaries. And today I'm sharing the insider secrets that professional landscapers use to create those stunning, crisp garden borders that make properties look absolutely incredible. We're diving deep into 15 game-changing edging solutions that range from budget-friendly DIY options to premium materials that add serious value to your property. Plus, I'll reveal the 4 critical installation secrets that separate amateur attempts from professional-looking results that last for decades. Before we transform your garden together, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you're about to discover the exact techniques that landscaping professionals charge hundreds for. Stick with us through all 15 solutions because the expert tips at the end could save you from costly mistakes that ruin entire projects. Picture walking through an English countryside garden where weathered limestone and sandstone create timeless boundaries that seem to have emerged naturally from the earth itself, each stone telling a story of geological beauty. Natural stone edging represents the gold standard of garden borders. It's permanent, increases property value and develops character over time that synthetic materials simply cannot match. Installation excellence. Choose locally sourced stone for climate compatibility. Select uniform thickness 2 to 4 inches ideal. Dig trench 6 inches deep for stability. Create sand base for leveling. Position stones with slight backward lean. Backfill with quality soil mixture. When I installed natural stone edging around my perennial garden 5 years ago, I thought I was just creating borders. Now I realize I was investing in my property's future, as these borders have become the most photographed feature of my landscape. Source stone during winter months when suppliers offer significant discounts, and always order 10% extra to account for breakage and future repairs. Sleek aluminum strips slice through the landscape with surgical precision, creating impossibly clean lines that maintain their crisp appearance year after year while requiring virtually zero maintenance. Aluminum edging offers the perfect compromise between affordability and professional appearance. It's lightweight, rust-proof, and flexible enough for smooth curves while strong enough for permanent installation. Installation advantages. Lightweight for easy handling and transport. Never rusts or corrodes in any climate. Cuts cleanly with standard metal snips. Joins seamlessly with connector hardware. Flexible enough for perfect curves. Available in multiple heights and finishes. Commercial landscapers choose aluminum for its reliability and consistent performance across diverse climate conditions and soil types. After watching my neighbor's steel edging rust and stain their concrete walkway, I chose aluminum for my entire landscape. 8 years later, it still looks like it was installed yesterday. Install during moderate temperatures when material is most manageable, and always follow manufacturer's staking recommendations for your specific soil conditions. Envision classic American gardens where rich red bricks march in perfect formation, their warm terracotta tones complementing both traditional colonial architecture and contemporary landscape designs with timeless sophistication. Red brick edging offers the perfect balance of affordability, durability, and classic appeal. It's why landscape architects have relied on this material for over a century of successful installations. Installation mastery. Source matching bricks for uniform appearance. Excavate trench matching brick height. Install 2-inch sand base for drainage. Position bricks with tight joints. Use rubber mallet for precise placement. Seal joints with polymeric sand. My grandmother's 1950s brick edging inspired my own installation. Using reclaimed bricks from the same era, I created borders that bridge 3 generations of family gardening tradition. Slightly wet bricks before installation to prevent sand base from sticking, and always start at corners or curves to ensure proper alignment. Shows 4. Paver edging sophistication. Interlocking concrete pavers create substantial borders that echo the craftsmanship of European courtyards, offering unlimited design possibilities through color, texture, and pattern combinations. Paver edging provides the structural integrity of concrete with the design flexibility of individual units, perfect for creating custom patterns that complement existing hardscaping elements. Design versatility. Choose from hundreds of colors and textures. Create patterns with multiple paver types. Integrate seamlessly with paver patios or walkways. Build curves using specialized radius pavers. Incorporate lighting between units for nighttime appeal. Installation process. Excavate to accommodate paver thickness plus base. Install compacted gravel base for stability. Level with sand screeding for perfect placement. Install pavers with consistent joint spacing. Sweep polymeric sand into joints for locking. Compact entire surface for final stability. Matching my garden edging to my existing paver patio created a cohesive design that makes my small backyard feel like an integrated outdoor room rather than separate elements. Order extra pavers for future repairs and expansions, and consider contrasting border colors to define transitions between different garden zones. Wahenver 5. Fieldstone edging character. Rounded fieldstones collected from ancient glacial deposits create borders with authentic geological character, each stone shaped by millennia of natural forces into unique sculptural elements. Fieldstone edging connects your garden to regional geological history, while providing incredibly durable borders that improve with age and weather exposure. Sourcing strategy. Locate stones from local farms or construction sites. Choose consistent size ranges for cohesive appearance. Select stones with similar color undertones. Avoid overly angular pieces that appear artificial. Plan for 20% extra material to allow selection flexibility. Installation technique. Sort stones by size before beginning installation. Dig irregular trenches matching stone bottoms. Nestle stones together for natural appearance. Allow slight height variations for organic feel. Backfill carefully to avoid stone shifting. Collecting fieldstone from our family farm property means every stone in my garden borders carries memories of childhood adventures while creating connections between past and present. Wet stones during selection to see their true colors, and choose the most interesting faces for outward orientation to maximize visual impact. Shutter 6. Living plant edging beauty. Dense rows of fragrant lavender or perfectly manicured boxwood create living boundaries that breathe, bloom, and evolve with seasons, providing structure while contributing to your garden's ecological richness. Living edging represents the most sustainable and dynamic border solution. It provides habitat, improves air quality, and creates borders that actually enhance in beauty and value over time. Plant selection excellence. Choose slow-growing, compact varieties for easy maintenance. Consider evergreen options for year-round structure. Match plants to specific site conditions. Plan for mature size to avoid overcrowding. Select disease-resistant cultivars for longevity. Installation best practices. Ronlix prepare soil with organic matter amendment. Space plants according to mature spread. Plant in early fall for best root establishment. Mulch between plants for weed suppression. Establish consistent watering first year. My lavender border started as a $50 investment in small plants. 5 years later, it's a 200-foot fragrant boundary that provides cut flowers, attracts beneficial insects, and neighbors constantly request cuttings. Choose native or adapted species that thrive in your microclimate, and plan pruning schedule to maintain desired shape and density. Shield landscape edging durability. Heavy gauge steel edging creates industrial strength borders that handle severe weather, heavy traffic, and challenging soil conditions, while maintaining razor-sharp definition for decades. Steel landscape edging offers maximum durability for high-stress applications. It's the choice for commercial installations and residential areas requiring ultimate strength and longevity. Material specifications. Choose 14-gauge minimum for residential applications. Select galvanized or powder-coated finishes for corrosion resistance. Consider Corten steel for controlled rust patina development. Plan for thermal expansion in extreme climates. Installation requirements. Use professional-grade anchor stakes for security. Plan expansion joints for long continuous runs. Apply rust preventive treatments in high moisture areas. Ensure proper drainage behind solid installations. Handles freeze-thaw cycles, resists impact damage, maintains sharp edges indefinitely, and provides excellent value over extended lifespans. My steel edging survived a direct hit from a falling tree limb that destroyed my neighbor's plastic borders. Sometimes investing in heavy-duty materials pays unexpected dividends. Install during moderate weather when metal is easier to handle, and always wear gloves to prevent cuts from sharp edges. Thick timber borders create substantial definition with natural warmth, their robust presence anchoring garden beds, while providing flexible design options for straight lines or flowing curves. Timber edging offers excellent value for creating raised beds and substantial borders. It's particularly effective for vegetable gardens and areas requiring soil retention. Material selection. Choose naturally rot-resistant species, cedar, redwood, locust. Consider pressure-treated options for extended lifespan. Select 4x4 or 6x6 dimensions for substantial appearance. Plan for corner connections and curve installations. Installation fundamentals. Excavate trenches to bury bottom third of timber. Level carefully using string lines and stakes. Secure corners with galvanized hardware. Pre-drill holes to prevent splitting during fastening. Apply wood preservative for maximum longevity. Perfect for raised vegetable beds, substantial flower borders, and areas requiring soil retention or level changes. Using reclaimed barn timber for my vegetable garden borders, created the rustic farmhouse aesthetic I wanted, while providing the substantial structure needed for raised bed gardening. Orient growth rings down to minimize warping, and consider routing drainage grooves to prevent water accumulation. Hagstone edging elegance. Flat flagstone pieces create sophisticated borders with natural color variations and interesting textures, their aristocratic presence elevating garden design while providing excellent durability. Flagstone edging combines the beauty of natural stone with easier installation than fieldstone. Its flat surfaces create clean lines while natural variations prevent monotonous appearance. Selection criteria: choose locally quarried stone for best pricing and climate adaptation. Select consistent thickness 1 to 2 inches ideal for edging. Plan color palette to complement existing hardscaping. Consider surface textures for slip resistance in wet areas. Installation technique: process wood stones by size and shape before installation. Create level sand base for stable placement. Backfill joints with soil or sand. Works beautifully with flagstone patios. Complements natural architecture and provides excellent transition between formal and informal garden areas. My flagstone edging uses leftover pieces from our patio installation. The matching materials create seamless flow between hardscape and garden that makes the entire outdoor space feel intentionally designed. Save the most attractive pieces for prominent locations and use smaller fragments to fill gaps for professional-looking joints. Rubber edging innovation. Flexible rubber edging curves effortlessly around garden beds, its dark profile creating clean separation while offering unmatched ease of installation and modification. High-quality rubber edging provides excellent value for homeowners wanting professional appearance with DIY-friendly installation. It's particularly effective for curved beds and temporary installations. Performance benefits: extremely flexible for smooth curves and complex shapes, lightweight for easy handling and transport, connects with simple joining hardware, resists cracking in freeze-thaw cycles, available in multiple heights and profiles, no special tools required for cutting or shaping, stakes anchor securely in most soil types, adjustable height for perfect appearance, easily removable for garden modifications. Choose recycled rubber products made from reclaimed tires to support sustainable manufacturing while getting excellent performance. Rubber edging allowed me to create the flowing curves I envisioned around my shade garden, something that would have been extremely difficult and expensive with rigid materials. Install during warm weather when material is most flexible, and always follow manufacturer's spacing recommendations for stake placement. Cobblestone edging provides unmatched character and historical authenticity, particularly valuable for period properties and gardens seeking genuine vintage appeal. Sourcing opportunities: architectural salvage yards for authentic materials, street renovation projects, with permission, specialty suppliers for new cobblestone alternatives, European imports for specific regional styles, installation artistry, create flowing organic lines following natural contours, vary stone orientation for authentic random appearance, allow moss and weathering for aged character development. Each cobblestone carries history from its original installation, creating gardens that connect to regional heritage while providing permanent, durable borders. My cobblestone borders use stones from our city's 1890s Main Street renovation. Now my garden literally incorporates pieces of local history that create conversation starters for every visitor. Clean stones thoroughly before installation to remove old mortar, and consider their origin story when arranging for most authentic historical appearance. Standing in your garden with material samples in hand, the perfect edging choice becomes clear when you understand how climate, soil conditions and design goals intersect. Professional assessment framework: climate considerations. Freeze-thaw cycles affect durability, UV exposure fades materials, salt exposure limits metal choices. Soil conditions: clay soils require drainage provisions, sandy soils need deeper anchoring, slopes demand specific techniques. Maintenance tolerance: consider seasonal care willingness, replacement schedules and long-term upkeep. Budget reality: factor installation labor, tool requirements, and replacement costs. I learned this lesson when my first wooden edging rotted within 2 years in our wet climate. Now I always match materials to site conditions. Visit established gardens in your area to see how materials age in your climate and consult local suppliers about regional performance. 13. Proper height of edging. The difference between amateur and professional installation often comes down to getting edging height exactly right for both function and aesthetics. Height guidelines. Standard garden beds: 4 to 6 inches prevents mulch spillage while allowing water flow. Lawn separation: 2 to 3 inches stops grass invasion without mowing interference. Slope installations: graduated heights accommodate drainage while maintaining consistencies. Traffic areas: lower profiles prevent tripping while maintaining definition. My neighbor's edging looked great until rain washed mulch across their walkway. Proper height prevents these cleanup problems. Install 1 tough inch higher than desired final height to account for settling, especially in loose soils. Shummer 14. Drainage solution in edging. Water pooling behind improperly installed edging can kill plants and undermine borders, but proper drainage planning prevents these failures. Drainage principles: water flow direction. Plan for natural landscape water movement. Subsurface provisions. Install drainage aggregate behind solid edging. Grade management. Maintain slopes away from structures. Material selection. Choose permeable options for high water flow areas. Dig drainage trenches 6 inches deeper than edging. Backfill with graded gravel. Top with landscape fabric. My first edging created a swamp behind my roses. Proper drainage transformed problem areas into the healthiest planting zones. Observe water flow during heavy rains before installation, and always overdrain rather than risk accumulation. 15. Correct positioning of edging. Perfect edging placement creates visual harmony and functional efficiency, the difference between borders that enhance versus fight natural garden flow. Positioning principles. Curve planning. Use garden hoses to test lines before excavation. Sight lines. Consider views from windows, walkways and outdoor areas. Plant relationships. Allow growing space while creating clear separation. Maintenance access. Ensure equipment access without damaging systems. Mark edges with spray paint. Live with layout for several days. Make adjustments before installation. I repositioned my planned edging 3 times before installation. Extra planning time prevented years of regret about awkward curves. Photograph layout from multiple angles and times of day to identify issues before permanent installation. Okay, garden enthusiasts, we're deep into these professional grade solutions, and I'm dying to know, which edging material has captured your imagination? Drop a comment below. Are you Team Natural Stone for timeless appeal, or Team Steel for ultimate durability? And if you're planning your weekend edging project, give this video a massive thumbs up. I love seeing your garden transformation stories in the comments. You're creating an amazing community of serious gardeners. If you've tried any of these techniques, share your results below, because your experience helps other viewers make better decisions. Now let's dive into those critical expert tips that separate amateur attempts from professional-looking results. Garden enthusiasts, we've just explored 15 professional-grade edging solutions that prove beautiful, functional borders are within reach for every gardener, from budget-friendly options to premium materials that add serious property value. Remember, the best edging choice depends on your specific site conditions, maintenance preferences, and design goals. Whether you choose timeless natural stone, innovative aluminum, or sustainable living borders, proper installation using these professional techniques ensures decades of beautiful garden definition. Here's your mission. Assess your garden's needs using our expert framework, then commit to installing one perfect border section this month. Come back and share your before and after photos. I feature the best transformations in upcoming videos. If these professional techniques have elevated your garden game, hit that subscribe button for weekly expert tips. Next week, professional lawn care secrets that double property value, insider techniques you won't want to miss. Until then, keep growing with purpose, and remember, every expert garden starts with perfectly installed borders.